doing, turds?
Today we're gonna do some banana pudding pancakes.
All right, hey. So I know some people see like those weird contraptions to spray oil on their grill that are like $8, $9 or whatever. Just use a fucking $2 bottle to spray the oil. So, all right. Yep. So today we are gonna do some banana pudding pancakes. That's the next one on the list. And again, if you guys have any ideas, please let us know. So basically what we've done is we've been just using up some of the cake batter. So here, Jax. Ooh, I bought me some new things for my grill too right here for when stuff's finished to set them up on top. But we just got some regular white cake batter and then mixed some chunks of banana in there. And then we'll show you guys the rest later. We got some banana pudding and some other stuff that we're gonna add in to do this. And then Brutus is here to say hi. So Jackson's gonna go ahead and get some of these poured. Pour a couple of them and then get Jay some.
Yeah, that's fine.
You pour the size that you want, man. It's 100% on you. I'm not in control today. I'm just drinking coffee.
I'm gonna do one more.
One more, and then let Jace do it. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I think we got like one more pancake thing we're gonna try to do, some s'more pancakes.
Ooh, those.
And, but tomorrow we're gonna do like a breakfast crunch wrap. So we got like a huge tortilla. We're gonna cook up a bunch of breakfast food and then wrap them up in a huge tortilla. So if you guys got any ideas of anything y'all want stuffed in there, let us know. I want to do another video with getting some stuff on the smoker / grill. Give us some ideas. I need some feedback from you guys to see what you want. It's all about just trying different stuff out. There you go. You fit that one right in there, huh?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the last one.
No, it's perfect. That's good. That's a decent size.
Yeah.
All right, so we will get these going, and then we'll be back. I know you guys want to see the flip because Jace with his little dip. So we'll be right back.
So
Let's
we're gonna
see.
flip.
I'm gonna do a little up top video. Yeah, those racks on here.
Ooh.
Oh, I like it.
Ooh, that was perfect timing.
All right, let's see.
Ooh, my.
Oh, can you flip it? Get enough flip. There you go. Oh, scoop under it. Don't scrape it.
Oh, here we go.
He's getting it. Jackson's getting it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that rack sucks for doing pancakes.
Okay, good. We
Alright.
messed up a bit, but
No.
hey, it'll work.
Oh, look at Jace's dip. You're going slow, Jace. You're going too slow when you go underneath. You got to scoop hard. Remember? That one's
Yeah,
perfect.
that one was actually. Oh,
Ooh. Ugh.
that was the first one you did.
There we go.
So all of them are good. Just don't mind that one. He's the odd one out.
I'm gonna blame him.
Brutus, did you want to burn a pancake just so you can eat it?
I think so. Brutus did it.
Brutus, how dare you?
It's Brutus's fault, huh?
Brutus is like, what's going on?
All right, so what we ended up deciding to do is we got the pancakes and then we got some cool banana pudding. This idea came from my mom, so we went with like warm, banana pancakes and then banana pudding, banana pancake, banana pudding. And I think we did this for like four layers of this stuff. Again, give this credit to my mom. She's the one that came up with the idea. You hear me say this when the boys are getting ready to eat this stuff. And then put on some whipped cream and then some banana slices. Add in there. Then after that, we're going to add a little bit of granola just to give it a good crunch. And then top it off with some chocolate syrup. So there we go. You burst. All right, so here's the finished product. Again, it went pancakes, banana pudding, banana pancake, banana pudding, a little bit of whipped cream, bananas, some granola, and then a little bit of chocolate syrup. So I don't even think we need to do a taste test on this because probably garbage and we can just throw it in the trash and just chalk this one up as a loss, right?
No.
What do you mean? It just doesn't look very good at all.
It does.
No, it doesn't. That's gross.
Are you blind?
I mean, maybe my prescription's off. All right, we'll do a taste test.
Yeah.
All right, hit it up. Just get in there. There's no need to be nice.
Wow.
So my mom came up with the idea, I want to give credit where credit's due, to do the pancake pudding. And honestly, when she first said it, I was like, pfft. And then after I thought about it, like it's, when you compliment like warm pancakes, the cold pudding, I think that was a perfect idea. Because I was almost going to just like put the stuff over the top, which I did a little bit on the top, but I think like when you have like what kind of cake is it where you have like the layered cakes when you have the different stuff? I've always been a fan of that, so.
It's really good.
Is it? I think the pancakes, this is the best outcome we've got on our little mixture of how we've been doing the pancakes, I think. Just the one pancake got a little bit burnt, but that was our fault because we did have that burner just a little bit too high. But I don't know. Let us know what you guys think, and then again, give us some ideas. We need some more ideas, and obviously, go Browns. It's almost football season, so well, it's preseason, but go Browns. Please just do something this year. Thank you. All right, later.